showing these 3 new dresses I got from Pretty Little Thing. They're all black mini dresses and I got them all in the smallest size that I could. 2 of them are extra small and 1 of them is small because that was the smallest size that there was. I got way too excited and ended up opening them off camera. I'm going to be showing the unstyled versus styled version, or should I say how I would style them. So let's go. This is the first dress. It's a little officey. I've been really liking the office siren look. I think it's like the cutest. It looks so good to me. I got it in a size 0/UK. That's a US 0, UK 4. I got all of them in black and pretty simple styles. That way I can customize the way I want. I usually go by my waist size for things because I sort of prioritize things fit in my waist, because a lot of times it'll be like fit in everywhere except my waist, and I just prefer it to fit that way because if it's baggy in the waist, there's not a lot I can do. I am actually finding different ways to temporarily modify the waists of dresses and shirts and stuff. And I think that's really helpful for things that I already have that fit me perfectly everywhere else except my waist. So yeah, this is dress number 1. This is dress number 2 in US 4 because that was the smallest size that they had in this dress. It has some boning and structure there, which I thought made it a little more formal in a way, and spaghetti straps. It's really stretchy. It's got more of a rougher texture on the outside, and then the inside is really soft. The fabric is sort of a little on the thicker side. It wants to be double lined, but it isn't. It's just like a different texture on the inside versus the outside. Dress number 3 is this sort of half shirt dress with opening here. I don't know if it's reversible, but I can try that. Where it has a little cleavage opening there. It has little sleeves. It's black and bodycon, and it's extra small as well. I want to put it on the dresses. Okay, so this is me in my PJs. Got some red on red, my favorite color. Just dancing along to the song that you can't hear. And this is the first dress, which is the black stretch woven pocket detail mini dress. So first I get a strapless bra on, and I realize that this dress is not going over my hips. It says that it's stretchy, but there is basically no give in this dress whatsoever. So I have to resort to putting it over my head. It was a real struggle, but eventually I did get it on. And I love the way it fits. Like, it's perfectly on my waist. It's slightly snug on the hips, but that's expected and that's okay as long as it fits my waist. And then I'm coming closer to give a better look. It's a really light but nice material. I love the length on me because I am short, so most of the time mini dresses are not mini on me, they're like more like above the knee. So I just threw on a sheer scarf over the top and I pinned it in the back and then tied the bottom together. Give that look up there. I put on some sheer stockings as well, and I'm styling this dress with these low block heel shoes. Bring them both on. And here we have this look. I'm also going to include a before and after being styled. Don't mind the lip movement, I'm just singing along to my song that I have playing in the background. And now I'm showing different ways to style the sheer scarf. I tied it once behind, have it act as sort of like a sheer jacket in a way, or a sheer top underneath it. Lots of attitude from the song. Here is the back. And then I just threw it over my shoulders like a regular scarf. And here I'm going to tie it into a bow that gives a more officey look. More of a secretary look. And now I'm going to do the second dress, which is the black strappy binding bust detail bodycon dress. I will link the dresses below the video. I do get a little goofy and distracted at times. And here I'm dancing with my dress. Putting it on. There is a little bit of flare at the bottom because of the cut fabric and the way my body is shaped. Kind of giving a little flare out, which I don't really like too much, but here's the dress before with nothing styled. Here's the back. It feels very nice on the skin and it's perfectly bodycon. I also love the length. And now I'm thinking of styling it with some black pattern tights and my black platform heels, but I'm thinking of going a different route with this. So I've decided to put on a white mock neck under the dress, giving a more studious look. Then I'm putting on white sheer thigh-high socks. I get a little bit indecisive about the height that I want the tights to be, so I'm trying out the different heights to see which one I think looks better. The higher one or the lower one closer to the knee. I decide on choosing the one closer to the knee. And I fix both of them to be the same. Okay, here's a look with the shoes. Looking very cute and preppy. Really feeling this look. Dance along to the music. Here's the back of the outfit. I'm also going to show a before and after. Now we're going to style the third dress. I'm also going to dance with this dress as well, because we love dancing with our dresses. And this dress is called the black structured contour cap sleeve bodycon dress. And on the first page, which is the one I was wearing, it's cute and really slow. shorts underneath were bunching up because it's the exact same material as the dress, so it hiked it up when I was putting it on. It's the first way, it will spin around. And now I'm going to flip the dress around to see how it works the reversed way. I think it is way cuter this way, a little cleavage peeking out. Really feeling the music. And all like having to touch all that fabric made my hands really dry, so next up I'm doing full black tights underneath. Such a nice sleek black look. I'm already loving it. So I'm also gonna add some arm covers. Very sleek modern look. I love the black on black melding the curves together. I also got really thirsty in the middle of it, and I'm showing off my Hello Kitty tumbler that I got at Miniso at a mall. I really love that cup. And we're going to finish it off with some boots.
Let's keep the lights on for a change now, baby. Want you to see it all. Want you to feel it all. Want you to need it all. Want you to give it all.
And here is the before and after for that. Sorry for the lighting change. That's what you get when it's winter. Sun sets at 3, but it's unavoidable because it's the daytime and it's winter. I hope you enjoyed that and you found a little bit of inspiration as well. If you like that, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you can keep up to date on all my videos. You can follow me at Ruby the Red Reaper on Instagram if you want to see my pictures. I am always on my stories doing something most of the time. Anyways, also remember to drop a like and thank you for watching.